Today we're going to talk about Minecraft toys. As you can see here, I have two of them. Both of these are from Mojang. That's the company that produces this. The first one that we're going to talk about is, these two items is the one here. And this is a Redstone Monstrosity Mango Co-op Edition Minecraft Dungeons. And this one actually comes with Hex in fur armor, if you can see that right here, this little guy right there. And it also comes with the Summon Wolf and the Iron Golem, and then the big guy right there, the Redstone Monstrosity. And then we have here, on this side right here, is we have the, also from the Mojang, it's going to be Adrian, and it also has her armor, and then also Skeleton. Now I'm going to open this one right here. This one I'm not going to open. But basically I just wanted to share with everybody, there's a background plate in each of these boxes, you notice that, where you can actually put your toys and display with the background. Basically with these, I bought mine from Ross, as you can see from the logo here. I specifically left that in there. I paid $9.99 for this one right here and this one right here. It says it retails for like 16 bucks or more outside. Is a hit and miss when you go to Ross, whether you see any of these toys or not. So first thing is that we're going to talk about this big guy right here. I'm not going to open the big guy here, but let me just turn both of these around and see as you can see what you're getting. This is basically what you're getting. For this one right here, I kind of opened the tape already because I just didn't want to spend time on it while doing the video. So this guy right here, this is pretty much the mock-up of it. This is the mock-up of this one. Very nice, these toys. I don't know if you guys had it. Please leave me a comment. So before I start on this, just wanted to ask everybody to subscribe to my channel. I'm always posting new videos on YouTube weekly. And basically today I'm just going to do an unbox and present and preview. So this one, let's put it right here. And I'm going to go ahead and open this one. Put this to the side. Let's pull this one out. Boom, right there. So basically, just want to let everybody know that poster board here is actually a fold right here. So it's attached to the box and basically is in here. So basically you got to pull it out and it'll be your background. And these are the toys for Adrian right here. And this is her armor. And then this is Skeleton. So let's go ahead and take out Skeleton. There we go. This is Skeleton. The head moves, arms, legs. So let's put Skeleton right here. Oh, falls over. So you can kind of balance it. Need be. I'm just gonna put Skeleton like this. So let's take out Adrian. This one is a pretty fun one because you can actually put the armor on Adrian. And that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put the armor on her. So there's Adrian right here. And what she comes with is she comes with a sword. She comes with like kind of a swoosh from the sword, which is the purple. And this is her armor. So let's go ahead and put the armor in. So I can do this. Okay, so I just put that on her head. Snap it on. There you go right there. Okay. Take the body suit now. Just this one in here. So the body comes in two pieces. Let's go ahead and pop this piece out. There we go. So this is the back. This is the back of it, I think. Yep. See if we can get that done. There we go. So just remember, you got to kind of pull the hands apart in order to put the suit in. You got to pull the head out a little bit too, just to stick the suit in. There it goes. Boom, right there. See? So you got to pull the head out pull the arms out in order to stick the suit in there. And then you'll probably have to do the same for the arms too. Right there and right there. So this is going to be on your right arm. These figures are pretty cool. Got to slide it in there. There we go. Stick the arm on. So one thing I noticed about these arm ones is that they're not that tight. There it goes. Now it's tight. Okay, let's get this one on too. All right. Let's get the arm tight too on this one. So as you can see, and just shove it up. Once you stick it in, slide it up. Then you can get the arm tight. There you go. So let's pull out the sword now. It's a pretty good cool figure. So these are all plastic, so you don't have to be like really, you know, like use mean gloves just to take it out. I mean, you can put some pressure on it. It's not that hard. So this is the sword, and just stick it into the hand. There you go, like that. Do some, you can see in here. That's how you stick it in there. And then this is the swoosh. So let's pull the swoosh out. And let's stick the swoosh on the top. And the swoosh is the same thing. It has an opening right there, you can see. And just slide it into the sword. There it goes. Boom, right there. So as you can see, you have your sword. Now the sword is bendable, just like everything else on these, the suit. You can just go. There you go, swoosh. So basically kind of like what they have here on the box. Kind of do the swoosh. Swoosh. Okay, and there's the skeleton. So don't forget the skeleton guy. Okay. So you can kind of do a battle scene, you know, maybe just like, oh yeah, you skeleton guy, what are you doing, you bad guy? And you know, just kind of play around with it. I mean, they're basically just toys. I mean, they're not going to break or anything. You know, just have fun with them. So you can kind of use your hand, a sword, and just go, whoosh, I got you. There you go. So, you know, it's quite fun. The legs and stuff move. They do remind me of Legos. Very similar, but not really. They're kind of just made of plastic, just like every Lego is too. But they're pretty fun because you kind of wear the suit. I mean, Lego has it too, but you know, it's very unique. So this is basically it. This one, the one that I'm opening, which is your Minecraft Dungeon, Adrian and Skeleton. It's front. This is the background inside. Remember, you got to take that out in order to put it in there. So there's a bunch of other ones down here. It tells you to collect them all. So it's not the only one. This is that plastic as part of it. So this is the other one. The Minecraft Dungeons Redstone Monstrosity Mango Co-op Edition. This guy right here is really cute. Hex in fur armor. So that's a really cute one right there, I feel. The doggy one too, the Summon Wolf, is really cute too. Summon Wolf, the one on top. So you can get a better picture of it from the back, see? Summon Wolf, that one's cute. Yeah, Hex in fur armor, that's pretty cute too. So it's very cute. And then, you know, you get everything here. You get this thing here too, which is the piece right here. It's kind of like the background where you can actually stand it up. And then you get the background plate, which you can put on the background. I mean, they're really fun. It's from Mojang. Like I said, you know, I got these from Marshall. It's a hit and miss when you go to Marshall. But these are new for 2020. So again, these are 2020 toys. I don't know if they have 2021 yet, but I'm pretty sure they probably will, especially with Minecraft. Video game is really popular. Once again, if you got value from this video, please do subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to build up my subscriber base. Thank you very much. And I pretty much post videos every week. and more videos to come next week. So please follow me, leave me some comments. If you guys have any of these toys, let me know what you guys think. If you guys have the complete set, that'd be awesome. Thank you.